Welcome to this week's climate update. Some encouraging changes are taking shape.
India is slowly building a climate-focused economy. The voluntary carbon market is growing, with platforms like the Carbon Registry of India helping companies track and trade carbon credits. This shows a shift from basic compliance to more structured climate action.
Cities are also taking positive steps. Amravati has made cool roofs mandatory for large buildings. These roofs reflect heat and can reduce surface temperatures by more than 5 degrees and indoor temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees. This not only improves comfort but also reduces energy use. Property tax rebates are being offered to encourage adoption.
At a smaller scale, people are changing habits too. Home gardening is becoming popular, especially for summer vegetables like bottle gourd and cucumber. These require little space and fewer resources, making them a simple and sustainable lifestyle shift.
Across Punjab, women are leading climate action at the grassroots level. They are promoting electric mobility, sustainable farming, waste management, and urban green spaces. These local efforts are creating real, visible impact.
In West Bengal, climate education is being introduced in schools. Students are learning through practical activities like rainwater harvesting models and disaster preparedness. This helps build awareness from an early age.
Despite these positives, the larger picture remains concerning. Globally, a UN report shows that Earth is now 1.43 degrees warmer than pre-industrial levels, with greenhouse gases at their highest in 2 million years. Oceans are absorbing over 90% of excess heat, glaciers are melting, and sea levels have already risen by 11 centimeters since 1993. In India, conditions are also worsening. The country has recorded temperatures up to 7.6 degrees above normal and an 81% rainfall deficit in some regions. Early heat waves and shorter winters suggest that seasonal patterns are changing permanently.
Climate change is also affecting health. In Maharashtra, reports show rising malnutrition among women and children, linked to heat stress and limited food diversity. Around 6 million children are already affected by non-communicable diseases.
Fragile ecosystems are under stress. The Himalayas are seeing more landslides, flash floods, and cloudbursts due to climate change and unplanned development. This threatens water security across India.
Urban and coastal risks are increasing too. In Mumbai, plans to cut 45,000 mangroves for infrastructure projects have raised concerns about flooding and coastal erosion. Experts warn that such ecosystems cannot be easily replaced. Water shortages are another concern. A study in Bhopal suggests its main lake could shrink by 40% by 2050, affecting drinking water supply.
Globally, energy systems are under pressure. Due to geopolitical issues, several countries are turning back to coal, increasing emissions. What's worse is that the new fossil fuel projects are offering very few long-term benefits. Climate impacts are also hitting infrastructure. In France, over 10 million homes are at risk due to soil damage caused by heat and drought.
See you next week with more updates.